So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do an interesting topic. So what is that means? It's a stress relieving fidget, also called as needoh. We can also call it as stress relieving ball. So to do it we required a paper, a balloon. I'm using hand wash. You can also use flour and slime also. So let's get into the video. So first spread the paper like this. Why I'm telling to use the paper, because if the hand wash comes out of the balloon, so it won't be a mess by cleaning that all. So next take the balloon, once stretch like this so it is open. Next take the hand sanitizer and keep it like this. Let's see if it is going. Yes guys, it's going. So there we go guys, we are done. And after that you have to clean this inside carefully, and then you have to do a knot. So here you go guys, I have made the knot. So while doing like this, it's very squishy. So just to make sure that it doesn't spill, I'm using the tape to tape this corner, so it would be more protective. So guys, after taping it here, I have also drawn a cute smiley face which is a bit spooky. So now we can do squishy it, and it's stress relieving really. I thought it would not turn this great, but it turned out really good. So yes guys, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel guys, and I will be coming with more and more interesting topics for you guys also to do this at home in this lockdown. So bye guys, see you in my next video.